Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you 5 steps you must take before starting your art channel. So in the last video I shared with you my experience how I grew from 0 to 1000 subscribers after 250 videos, and a year's time it wasn't a great success. I reached 1000. Yeah. So if you are new to YouTube, you have never made a YouTube video before and you don't know where to start, watch this video. I'll be sharing you the mistakes I made and the advice I wish I was given before starting my channel. Because when you start, it's kind of too late to go back and rework on the things that you wish have done differently. And that's why make sure you follow those 5 steps before starting, and I will give you a bonus tip in the end of the video. Make sure you stick into the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, narrow your niche. A niche is a segment of the market you wish to capture. So what would you like to do as an artist on YouTube? For example, you are very good at watercolor paintings and you like to make tutorials. That's fine. Watercolor tutorials, that's still very wide as a niche. Maybe it's a good idea to start with something, but you need to, when you start producing videos, you need to really go narrow, go niche. You do watercolor portrait tutorials, watercolor animal tutorials, watercolor landscape tutorials. You see, it's very niche. At least incorporate 3 elements like watercolor, portrait, tutorials, those 3 elements each time when you make a video before you reach, let's say, 1000 subscribers. And you may say, that's very boring. If I do it for a year, I'll be so bored. That's just for the beginning. If you could capture your audience quickly, establish your brand, and then from there you can expand. You take the watercolor portrait tutorials and then you move on to the next thing, and then you move on to the next thing. You won't be doing watercolor portrait tutorials for the rest of your life. So don't worry about being boring or getting bored. It's just temporary when you at the beginning of your YouTube career. And I think I made this mistake. I try to do many things because I try to test water, I try to give value, I try to do different things. I did YouTube for artists, Instagram for artists, Patreon for artists, IPR for artists, financial advice for artists, and I feel like I was running before I could walk. And I was going all over the place, running, tumbling, and I feel like I wasn't putting one foot in front of another. And if I could go back in time, I would just focus on social media for artists or one niche, whatever niche that you think you can master, and then slowly expand from there. Number 2, know your competition. And you may say, wait a second, my art is so unique, I don't have any competition. That's not true. It's 2020 and there are so many artists on YouTube already. The market is already very saturated. I'm sure you have some competition in your niche. Go back to your niche watercolor portrait tutorial. Put that in the search bar of the YouTube and you'll see a lot of channels that are making YouTube videos like that. Write a list of at least 10 channels that are in competition with you and then study them. You can do a manual research one by one, or you can just download the TubeBuddy. It is a tool to help you understand YouTube and grow your YouTube. It's not a sponsored video. I still use their free version. You don't have to pay. There are some basic features that are already very good, and you just search for watercolor tutorials and then you will see which channels are the best for which kind of watercolor tutorials, and then you can see their channel stats and then just see what they're doing so that you can walk their paved road. You don't have to go to the road less taken or the one that have never done before. You can follow other people's footsteps and it's not a shame. Just use the business insights that you are given that are in front of you for free. Otherwise, it'll be stupid of you not to use those tools. Number 3, research keywords. Keywords are probably your best friends as a small YouTuber when you don't have no followers from 0. Obviously, when you publish a video, no followers gonna come and watch it because you're growing from 0. So grow using keyword strategy. And what exactly is those keywords? Again, go to the search bar, put in watercolor, and you see what keywords people are searching. For example, watercolor for beginners, watercolor tutorials, just whatever keyword you put in, the YouTube will fill out the part that people are searching, the most searched keywords. Write them down, and then you will use them as the beginning blueprints to make your videos. You will make watercolor tutorials for beginners because people are searching for those things, and it's proven that this strategy is working. Almost half of people who discovered and watched my videos are from keyword search results. No money needs to be spent in order to promote your video using keywords. Number 4, schedule your uploads. At the beginning of my channel, I uploaded 5 to 6 times every week. I think it's too much. You can start with 2 to 3 times every week. For example, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, or Wednesdays, Saturdays. However, whichever schedule works for you, make sure you put away enough time to prepare, record, edit, and publish and socialize on YouTube so that you're not last minute running out of time or panic, miss your deadline. If you're very busy, for example, if you're an art student or you have a day job and you really don't have enough time to make those videos, again, put away small time daily so that you have enough materials in the end of the week. Just put a small camera like this in your pocket or in your bag, wherever you go, whenever that you think you have something to say, pull out the camera and say it to the camera. Or maybe suddenly you meet someone in a museum, in an art exhibition, and someone very renowned that you want to make an interview. You just pull out the camera and say, hey, you know, I'm an artist on YouTube, I'd like to make an interview with you. And you just gun and run, literally one-man team. And many filmmakers are making documentaries like that. Just carry a camera with you. The best camera you'll ever have is the one that is with you. 换一个姿势. So that you put away small time day by day, and in the end of the week you have enough materials to work with. Number 5, reach out to small YouTubers. YouTube is a knowledge base, is a way to promote your art, but it's also a social media. So be social on this social media. You can make Skype interviews. If you live in a big city, you can go to meet-up events for YouTubers or for artists YouTubers. Like-minded artists on YouTube can give you the insight that you can't get anywhere else. You will make lifelong friends, and together you can create interesting content, and you can even make this journey as a mini vlog, like this kind of meeting others as a part of your artist lifestyle on YouTube. There are so many opportunities that you must not miss. So be creative, be mindful, just reach out to them. If they are under 1,000 subscribers, I'm pretty sure they will answer you. If they are bigger, maybe they will be too busy or they will not see your message. They don't have time to reply to each message, and maybe they are not willing to do a collaboration. So start from small YouTubers, and when you grow, and you will also be able to meet and reach out to bigger YouTubers. My bonus tip is to add value in your videos. Imagine when you publish a video that is 10 minutes long, you are asking many people, your audience, to contribute, to spend the 10 minutes of their lifetime in your art project. So when they finish watching your video, they have to feel something, right? They have to feel like they got something from your video and they don't regret spending the time with you, right? So it's not just like trying to sell a piece of art print. They just spend money, that's it. They're spending time, and time is the most unrenewable energy, right? It's the most scarce resource that everybody has. And everybody has 24 hours a day, no matter rich or poor, no matter young or old. So you better make their time worthwhile. If you ask them to spend time watching your YouTube video, you better give value. In the end of the 10 minutes, are they gonna learn something? Are they gonna feel entertained? Are they gonna feel more confident that they have found someone who is doing similar things, like struggling as an artist or making money as an artist? Add value is the best way you will be able to capture your niche market and to get fans, get subscribers, and have a community on YouTube so that you can sell your art and achieve whatever you want to achieve using your YouTube channel. That's all the 5 tips plus one bonus tip I'm giving you today. I hope it is helpful. If you're starting a YouTube channel from scratch and you have some questions, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.